sticker. It'll help you through. Get it from EllieBeth Designs. EllieBeth Designs. EllieBeth Designs. EllieBeth Designs. Brighten up every day. EllieBeth Designs. EllieBeth Designs. EllieBeth Designs. EllieBeth Designs. Brighten up every day.
Hi lovely people, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. I'm sharing with you two very special mini collections, mini kits that are releasing on Wednesday, the 3rd of November. One is our charity kit for November, and I'll talk a little bit more about how that actually works. And the other, I don't have the full thing because Mimi the Mamaki, my print and cut machine, was being a little bit awkward this afternoon. So I just have one of the sizes to share with you. It's also night time, the time filming. I'm hoping that I can get the lighting right for you. Please bear with me, as I always do say, as we kind of adjust to new ways of doing things. So we have got, first of all, the charity kit for November, and basically this is something that I started last month with Grandma's Garden, and the charity kit is something I'm going to do every month, whereby you buy the stickers and I will make a donation of 50% of the profits to charity for that month. So this, as you can see, is called Fields of Grace, and it is the charity kit for November 2021. So this is in aid of Shrapnel, who are a charity that actually their founder reached out to me looking for anything that I might donate towards one of the two big sales that they hold each year. And I said, well, actually, how about we do this? I'll, and do this way as a donation. Now, they basically, they work with injured veterans who need perhaps a particular type of wheelchair or particular type of mobility aids or whatever it might be, in order to allow them to do things like sports, get outdoors, to actually carry on having an active life. And apparently these kind of wheelchairs and supplies and things are not necessarily covered, as you might imagine they would be, by any other source of funding. So I'm going to leave all the links down below. Please do go and have a look at their website. But it seemed to me that with Remembrance Day coming up, doing something with them to support them would be absolutely fantastic, and I know that many of you will be really glad of the opportunity to be able to support them and have stickers, because stickers. So we've done this in the format of the smaller collections, which have got several options. So basically you pick your size, whether you normally use a 7x9, the weekly core kind of based sheets, or perhaps you prefer the small Hobonichi weeks and you normally get the mini weeks, or if you like the A5 core, then there's a kit based around that, and there's also a couple of daily options. These are also the formats that are used in the Sticker 8 monthly subscription. So let's start off with the classic size. So this is for your 7x9 planners, or any planner where you've got 1.5 inch wide boxes. And I mean, I've been holding it for a while, but just look at that washi. Is that not just absolutely beautiful? With the gorgeous watercolours and that kind of sketchy black and white in the background. There's so much detail in that. It's lovely to see. So the 4-page kit has the sort of standard weekly core kit. It has a slightly adapted days and dates, because we've got some Penguin Joe on there as well. And then it has some half boxes, list boxes and deco. Those poppies are so beautiful. And then you have some more event labels, icons, checklists and some different washies. And again, I mean, these colours. They are so gorgeous. I'm so pleased with how it came out. I did a little squeal when I saw these coming off the print. I was like, oh my goodness me. Finally, I've reached a stage where what I see on screen is pretty much exactly what I see come off the printers. So that 4-page kit is what I call a mini kit. This is a classic mini kit. If you just want something a bit more functional, you can get a 2-page functional kit. So that's our 7x9 classic size. Then let's have a little look. Actually, let's go A5 kind of base. So this is for the A5 Hobonichi Cousin, the A5 Passion Planner, that sort of size. So again, we've got kind of a core sheet. This is the A5 core that I'm used to seeing. And I took those kind of sketchy poppies a little bit larger for the date covers, and oh, it's just come out so beautifully. Then you have a very functional page with days and dates again, some mini Penguin Joes, and a selection of different list and event boxes. We've then got, in the mini kit, we then have the 3rd page, which is deco and mini boxes. And then you've got extra washi on this particular size. And again, you've got the icons and checklists. So this is what I call, in this particular sort of lineup, a medium size. Okay, so medium. So 4 pages for the mini kit. These 2 pages make the functional kit. If you want Hobonichi Weeks, then it's basically the same as the medium that I've just shown you. The only difference is that you have a mini Weeks in there rather than the A5 core. So you have that as your page, and again you would then have the other 3 sheets, or if you just want the 2-page functional, you just have those 2 sheets. Okay, I know it's a bit confusing when you're so used to me having a la carte sheets and being able to choose exactly what you want, but just go with it. If you need some advice, please let me know in the comments down below or over in the Facebook group. Somebody will help you choose the right size for your planner, or for whatever you normally get. We've then got 2 daily essentials. So this is the 7x9 daily pages. So you get 2 of these, and they are different designs. So you can get that. So that's enough to do at least 2 days. Depends on how many stickers you use in a day. So that is there. It's a 7x9, and then we've got the A5 as well. Oh, I love this. That's so beautiful. And you'll notice that even using these dark backgrounds and things, with the use of some overlay boxes and things, it still keeps it quite easy to write on and to be able to read what you've written. So that is Fields of Grace. And, you know, I've not put a quote on it, and I've done that quite deliberately because whilst yes, it's a kind of Remembrance Sunday kit, and perhaps you might use it around that time of year, I also wanted to make something that could be used any time of year, because let's face it, our veterans, our soldiers, they don't just deal with things once a year, do they? It's all year round. So there we go, that is Fields of Grace. Now, the other collection that's coming in the same format again, but I only have one size to share with you, is a bit of a re-release. This is All Is Calm. And I first used this artwork back in 2017. And I'll tell you now, at the time, I thought my printers were pretty good. And I thought I'd done a really good job of capturing all the detail. When I saw this come off the printer today, I realised that I was wrong. And honestly, it is just stunning. If my camera's not doing this justice on the video, I will pop some close-up photographs in for you. I also shared it on my stories on Instagram if you want to take a look there. But if I just skip ahead to this page and show you this washi, it is unbelievable in person. It looks like it's actually glowing. I mean, it isn't, you know, we're not into radioactive inks or radioactive stickers, although that is a strangely fascinating idea. But the actual saturation and the way you can see every single detail in that is just incredible, if I do say so myself. Now, you may notice on these are early samples. Penguin Joe is looking a little bit the worse for wear on these, so please don't take this as how the final ones will be. He will have been put back together in the right order by the time you on anything you got. So we have our 2-page functional kit, and again I'm showing you classic size because that's what I've got. I'm going to pop in as well some photographs of the other sizes. Then we have our deco and half boxes, and again just the detail in this and the different shades within the angels are just incredibly beautiful. And then we have the for the classic size, we have the washi, the event labels and icons and checklists, and I kind of went for quite a lot of stars and the little town as well, which I just thought was gorgeous. This will also be available in A5 and so the medium size and the small, which is for the Hobonichi weeks. So that will have all of its options, and the A5 and the daily and 7x9 daily as well. So there we go. It's a bit of a tale of two halves for this What's New Wednesday. They are quite contrasting collections, really, aren't they? Not just in colour, but perhaps in themes as well. So I hope you love them. They will be available from Wednesday at 6 p.m. We're back to EllieBeth time, and the clocks have gone back in the UK. So please bear that in mind. We are no longer on BST, British Summer Time. We're on GMT again. So do please check that if you are abroad. And yeah, make sure that you log on to the website and really do consider supporting the charity Shrapnel. If you've got an idea for charity that you would like to put forward for the upcoming months, please do drop me a line by email to hello@EllieBethDesignsUK.com. I would love to be able to support as many charities as we possibly can in the coming months. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fabulous rest of the day, whatever it is you're up to. Take care of yourselves, lovely people, and until next time, bye-bye for now.